Hey guys, Hemi Vertible here. All right fellas, here we go. Getting ready to throw the bumper back on this baby. Check her out. Got her all painted up in there, cleaned up. A little rusty. You can see some of that, the pits and everything in there, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna throw a trunk mat in there. Nobody's gonna see it, nobody will know but me and all you guys watching. So we'll throw this bumper on real quick and we'll get a look at it with the bumper on there. That floor pan really needs to be replaced, but not now. We went ahead and patched it up as good as we could, sprayed it with some Eastwood rust encapsulator, body puttied it up a little bit, sanded it down, primered it, put some sealer on it, threw some paint over top of it, just to get us through a couple years until we go back in there to cut it out and replace those quarters and everything on the back end. Pretty much did the same thing with that rear panel, sanded it down real good, cleaned it up best we could, hit it with some Eastwood rust encapsulator, then we went ahead and sprayed it with some Organosol Black from Classic Industries. And here she is with the bumper on it, the tail lights in there, the RT emblem, all the chrome trim around the top of it. Turned out pretty good. It's gonna look nice until we get her completely redone. There you go, she's all put back together. We still gotta pop that trunk back open again and put some tail lights and stuff in it, but she looks good from the front and gonna look good from the back, but don't look at the side. Actually, the top looks pretty good too, and the video doesn't really do it the ugliness on the quarters justice, but she needs a bath and finish cleaning up a little bit, and she's gonna look nice. As always, fellas, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.